Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Monday market webcast. Okay, so look, I'm like a broken record, right? We continue to ride the upper band. We continue to make new all-time highs. The bears continue to be, just good for a short trade into a dip buy up and, away we go, which is the way it played out on Friday. It's a pretty quiet night. We've been hanging around, anywhere between, here's the hourly chart. We've just kind of been, it did a little bit there. 1 in the morning, did 04 half. It keeps migrating back to this 4109 to 4115 area. We'll see how they want to open up. We have a chance to get some direction today. I think, maybe, I don't think it'll be a trend day, but you have a chance for a clear winner and a clear loser. But until the bears can deal with the hourly midband, and they blew it, they blew it Friday. Let's not, we don't need to mince words. They blew it. They spent the better part of the regular session below that area, gave it back, and then they really ripped them right up into the close. Little good old-fashioned Friday happy fun time to another all-time high at 41.21 half. It was a pretty boring day on balance. It was another day where we found ourselves this week in the room more often than not in a long with a free ride and paid on a third, and then just bored out of our freaking eyeballs as you just wait and it drips up a little bit, drips up a little bit, drips up a little bit, and then they go ahead and slam them, up into the close. We take our profits, maybe we hold overnight, and do a little bit more, but that's been the moniker of the day. Did it happen Friday, Thursday? Wednesday was more of an overnight thing than it was anything here. We got short right we got long right at the close. Until the bears break this dynamic, until the bears assert themselves and decide that they don't want to be roadkill anymore, this is going to continue to happen. Doesn't matter if you think 41.21 half is enough. It doesn't matter if you think we've gone up too far too fast, which is not true considering the 3-day consolidation that we had. That this price action is, quote, not sustainable, end quote. I hear it all. And what I'm going to tell you is, until the bears do something about it, it's not going to change. So I just added the weekly pivot there, 40.85 half. Hourly midband in the weekly pivot and the roundy here at 4100 would be a good start. You close below a couple of those lines, you maintain price for a full Globex session below those lines, and then you can get back to work on things like the 9-day down at 40.60 half. But until then, you're just a walking dip buy, bears. You are a walking dip buy. And you can fight it, or you can be long and make money. It'll change when it's ready to change. But when it is ready to change, that's going to be the dynamic. That's going to be the dynamic. And what's really going to have to be overcome is when the bottom falls out and they rally it, are the bears able to have enough, guts and determination to make a quick lower high to a quick lower low? That's how things progress to the downside. Until then, they're going to keep buying dips and walking it up to new all-time highs. It's reality. Okay, volume weighted average price, 41.10 half. Our proprietary moving average is at 41.12. 09 to 15 is the key today. Win that zone and you can win the morning. But, biggest number on the board for me is 41.09 because that's the hourly mid-band. All right, everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care, trade them well. Come check out the room. A lot of new people, great people to learn along with for a couple of weeks, and then you'll be with us for, many years to come, like so many of our members, and we would love to meet you. Take care. Talk to you tomorrow. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.